Online Destination Import. You can use this service to send selected destinations to your car's navigation system. You can send destinations to your car using the My Škoda app. Select the Trip Planner tile and the map appears. You can search for your desired destination either using the search bar, by clicking into the map, or by selecting an event from your calendar. If you want, you can also find places that are near your destination, such as fuel stations, parking, restaurants, or supermarkets. Click on Nearby and then select your desired category of nearby places. This enables you to see the 20 closest nearby places on the map. Now you can click on each of the points on the map to see additional information, such as distance from the desired destination, if it is currently open or closed, and the contact telephone number. Once you have selected your destination, click on the button Show Route and then Send to Vehicle. Please note that the previous destination will be lost if not already downloaded to your vehicle. Therefore, if you wish to send 2 or more destinations to the vehicle, you need to send the first one, then download it in the vehicle, and then send another one and download it into the vehicle. You can also change the name of the destination. Finally, press Send. You can also send the destination to your car when searching for the destination in other map-based applications, for example, Google Maps. Once your desired destination is selected, press the Share button and select the My Škoda app. Once you give a name to your trip, press Send to Vehicle. You can now download the newly added destinations to your navigation system. Once you get in your vehicle and turn on the ignition, a pop-up window will appear on your infotainment system, informing you that the destination has been received. To start navigating to the desired destination, press View and then Start. If you want, you can also save the destination to Favorites or cancel the pop-up window.